Hi everybody, this is Emily from the NetZoom team, here to talk to you about managing your licenses in NetZoom. In order to use the NetZoom product, a user must have a valid subscription license. As such, it is sometimes necessary for an enterprise-level user to manage NetZoom licenses and ensure your users have appropriate access to your DCIM application. NetZoom licenses are defined by subscription numbers received at the time of the NetZoom license purchase or renewal. Subscription licenses essentially authorize a user to appropriate access to NetZoom's features. After you have purchased or renewed a subscription license for your NetZoom application, you can manage it using this Licenses feature found under the Enterprise Configuration tab in the Administration menu. In this video, we'll go over adding new licenses as well as renewing existing licenses. First, let's log into NetZoom. Enter your NetZoom application server URL in the web browser. Then enter your username and password. Navigate to the License feature under the Enterprise Settings tab in the Administration menu. This feature is only available to enterprise-level users and the NetZoom administrator. As you can see, the License feature provides a tabular view of the subscription listings. To add a new subscription number, click on the plus icon at the bottom of the pane. As you can see, the Add License form will pop up. Enter the subscription number of your license and click the Validate button. This will verify that the subscription number is valid and fill in details about the subscription number. Click the Save button after validating your subscription number. As you can see, the subscription will be added to the list. A key icon with a green check mark indicates a valid subscription number. Contact the NetZoom support team if, after you add your subscription and validate it, you do not see this key icon with a green check mark. Now that we've talked about adding a license, let's go over renewing an existing license. When you renew your license with NetZoom Incorporated, you will be given a new subscription number. This number must be updated in the NetZoom application. To renew a subscription license, click on the subscription number that is going to be renewed. The Renew button will appear at the bottom of the screen under the Subscription column of the Licenses pane. Click the Renew button, and the Renew License form will pop up. Just like adding your existing license, you're going to want to enter your new subscription number here and click the Validate button. A pop-up will confirm its validity just as it did when you were adding a new license, and you can click the Save button to save your new subscription number. If for any reason you need to remove a license, you can do so by selecting it in the Licenses pane and clicking the red X icon. A pop-up will ask if you're sure you want to delete that license, and if you click yes, the license will be removed from your NetZoom application. Remember that users must be assigned a license in order to log into NetZoom. For more information on assigning licenses to users, see our video on user management. Users can also add their subscription number to the NetZoom Service Portal account in order to download things like the NetZoom Visio add-in and create service tickets. Users with the bundle license can also use the Service Portal to download NetZoom's installers. Navigate to service.netzoom.com and log in using your credentials. We'll go over registering to the Service Portal in another video. Once you've logged into your Service Portal, click the Profile menu and select the My Registration feature. As you can see, there is a subscription field. Enter the subscription number that's associated with your account and click the Update button. Your subscription number will be validated, and you will be given access to downloads and other features, such as the features available in the Services menu. That covers the basics of license management in NetZoom. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on how to use the NetZoom application. And if you want to try out NetZoom for your own data center, visit netzoom.com to schedule a free demo.